Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This thing is beautiful.
Before we get into this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Hello, Candy Toys here, and welcome back to our channel. We have a new video for you. Please check out this video and subscribe to our channel. Check out all our other videos, and don't forget to like. Hit that like button. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Now today, we'll be unboxing this gorgeous iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm telling you, this phone is looking beautiful. I haven't opened the box yet. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Which was packaging. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this box up. Just like that. And then go up, unpeel this part, and then oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This thing is beautiful. And then here comes the fun part. Let me now here's the fun part. Yeah, so alright, so this is the black titanium, which is like literally look just like the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And let's go ahead and turn on the phone. I just love like unboxing the these new iPhones. Like every time over these new iPhones, they're just amazing, like gorgeous. Here is the Apple logo. Hello. Let's go open this up. And this is saying to like choose the English and other languages. So I'm gonna get this up. I'll be right back. But actually, matter of fact, before we do that, let's go check out these. So these are as you guys didn't know, the old Apple chargers, Apple charger, start from iPhone 5. Those ones they don't do those anymore. And instead we have the USB-C. So this is the USB-C. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I'm gonna go open this part. And go. So it's a brand new Apple. This is a brand new Apple charger. iPhone 15 had this too. So basically, this is not the first iPhone has started with this charger. The iPhone 15. The iPhone 15 is the first iPhone to start with this charger, and this is the second iPhone to start with this charger. And also, go ahead and open. Can I open this? Usually I can open this. Yeah, basically, just about it. And this, I believe, this is the manual with the warranty. Alright, I'm gonna go get this up. Be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. And so by the way, this phone has A18 Apple chip. pretty much it's like good performance and performance to like do like making movies, making like you try playing mobile games, which is high quality. And so here's the phone, and here's the camera stuff, and and then here's the camera. See the nice little, nice, and we got 3 cameras. Pretty much that. They're pretty big. And also, oh yeah, another thing. So so this side here, so you have this button. What's it? There you go. You press this button, and as you can see this little. You got the zoom, so you don't have to like try to use the what nobody does on the normal iPhones. Alright, so I'm gonna go press record. So how good this camera is. And yeah, like so far this camera's like pretty good. Like it's like you can like use these phones like using like try like movies, film some action scenes, and this is pretty good iPhone. This is pretty this is really like amazing iPhone. This is really like so good, super powerful. And also this has 1 terabyte. Oh yeah, by the way, I just found out about this. So I'm on video, right? So I'm on video, right? And also, I did not know about this, but I don't know if you change the resolution and the frame rate. Let's see, as you can see HD. And so 24 FPS, 30, and 60. But I did not know is you can really record video at 4K 120 FPS. Like you really cannot do this on the 15, or except you can do just a slow mo. Let's see the cinematic. Can you actually record at 60 FPS? No, you still cannot do that. But yeah, this is actually pretty cool. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below on what you think about this phone. And till next time, peace.
Well, that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.